To send images individually to an external device while in an active exam, tap Clipboard. Select the desired images, then send. Select Raw DICOM to send images with raw data. This allows you to manipulate the images, such as when re-importing them back onto the system. Select DICOM to send images to an external device, such as to a DICOM viewer, PACS, or to transfer images back to the system for viewing. Select JPEG, AVI, or both, or WMV for easy transfer onto a computer. You can name your folder, then tap Send. Or you can send images to an external device by tapping Review in the upper left-hand side of the screen. Tap the images you would like to send, or press the Select All button in the lower right-hand corner to highlight all images. Tap Send to select your destination. To send one or more patient exams to an external device from the patient screen, tap Manage Archive. Tap the patient or patient exams, then tap Send to, located on the bottom right-hand side of the touchscreen. If desired, you can anonymize the patient here. Select your destination with the drop-down arrow, then tap OK. To capture a single screenshot, tap Settings, located on the top right-hand side of the touchscreen. Then tap Capture. The screenshot is saved, and then it will be saved to the USB. To delete images during an active exam while scanning, tap the clipboard, select the image or images you would like to delete, tap Delete, then press OK. Or tap Review, select the image or images you would like to delete, or tap Select All from the lower right side of the screen, tap Delete, then OK. To manage the archive, tap Manage Archive from the patient screen. Here you can delete exams from the hard drive by tapping the top box next to the last name to select all, or you can tap the boxes individually. Once selected, tap the Delete button on the lower right-hand side of the touchscreen. Select OK to permanently delete your exams. To shut down or place the system in standby, press the Power button. If standby is chosen, you can reboot the system in 6 seconds. When shutdown is selected, the system will reboot in less than 80 seconds. If the Power button did not respond, tap Settings and tap the Off button. This option is configurable.